Hi everyone. The previous video was about the general introduction of the operators. In this video we will study the arithmetic operators and its type unary operator, which further divided into two operators, pre-increment and post-increment, and pre-decrement and post-decrement. Now pre means before and post means after. So pre means the increment is before. I'll give you a general perspective that pre means we increment it first and then assigns the value, and post means we assigns the value and increment it first. Now we'll move to some coding, so then you will get familiar with these unary operators. I'm declaring a variable integer a, and now I'm giving it I'm giving it a value that is equal to 5. Now I'm printing it printf percent %d a. So it is as simple as that. We have done it before. There is no operator applied till this is 5. Now I'll apply this plus plus. This is the post increment operator which I have applied to a. So I'll just compile it and run it. So the answer is 5. Here we can see that the value, as I have told you about the post increment, the value is assigned before and after that the increment is done. So 5 is assigned to a and after that the increment is done. So in this line the value of a is 5. If I print, here is the code. I'll just copy this line and paste it on the next one. I'm just putting it this value of a in the next line with this extra bracket, that is why it's giving compile time error. Just compile and run it. Now the value is 6. I'll give you a more clear way. I'll just use backslash n for the next line. Yeah, this is 5 and the 6 in the next line. So the value is incremented before, after the it assigns the value. The 5 is assigned here and 5 is printed by this line, but after that it is incremented by this plus plus and plus 1. So this is like, and the 6 is printed in this line. Now I'll just do the pre-increment before this. This is a pre-increment. I'll just run the file. I'll just compile it and I'm running it. This is 6 and 6. So here we have done the pre-increment. So the increment is done before and then the value is assigned to a. So you can see that this line, the first printf is printing 6 and the second printf is also printing 6 because no other modification is done in that line. So by this I guess you are familiar with the subject pre-increment and post-increment. Now in the same line I'll do the pre-decrement. So let's guess the value now. If you are decrementing the value here but it is post decrement, so the value should be assigned before 5, so no decrement should be there. Yes, and we guess right, the answer is 5. Now we'll just apply the pre-increment before. Now let us again guess the answer. We are doing it pre-increment 5 minus 1, so it should be 4, and it is pre, then increment is done, decrement is done before the value sign. So yeah, this is 4. So this is all about the unary operator, which consists of pre-increment and post-decrement. After this video there is some exercise, so you can just try your hands on it and get familiar with it. In the next video is all about the binary arithmetic operators. Thank you.